2017, it was a year with a lot of changes. I changed jobs, I moved, I got a new camera, a new setup, new drawing supplies, and a whole new outlook on life. As I age, I keep changing every year. From one year to the next, I feel like a completely different person, depending on what's going on in my life, depending on my thoughts and my outlook. I gained friends, and I lost some, but I lost more than I've gained. But what matters to me is keeping those that are outgoing and want to see the world in a positive way, to surround myself with those type of people. And not only outgoing people, those that are also the ones that prefer to be alone, to have alone time and to focus on improvement. I've always been that type of person, the type that spends a lot of time alone, focusing on drawing and self-improvement. I've never been satisfied with who I am, and I always strive to improve. Anything I do in life, be it drawing, writing, poetry, I'm always in the pursuit of improving. Today I was thinking about how far I've come to get where I'm at. And in the past year, I've gone through so many changes that it's hard to recognize who I was at that time. And when I look back, it's like I'm looking at a different person. And when I think of where I'm going now, I'm satisfied with who I've become. I'm not perfect, but I strive to be my best. I strive to do my best. And to try to live without any regret. And to keep going on and to not give up. This channel is new for me, and I don't have a lot of experience, but I'm trying my best. And I'm really enjoying this. And along the way I've made a few friends. A few that I've connected with that mean something to me. But what truly matters is being happy. Being truly happy. Finding a purpose in life. And whatever it is that you want, keep following it. Keep pursuing it. From one year to the next. Follow your dreams and hopes. And never give up.